Hey, what's up Blooket players? In this video I want to show you a trick how to get 3000 token from the Blooket events. This is a special events for all Blooket players. Just follow this video step by step. To participate on this event you need just your username. As you can see, this is my username Albert. Now I have 10 tokens in my Blooket account. Now I open a new tab and here I searching www.go-token-pro. As you can see, remember this website, Go Token Pro. Just copy this website in your browser. Token events offer 3000 tokens. Blooket username. Here you need enter your Blooket username. As you can see, Albert. I press this button, generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page, guys. Now I wait to loading this web. Now I want to present you this website if you finish it. This is people comments. As you can see, very much positive comments. You can add a comment on this yellow button, but I don't add the comments now. How doesn't this event work? For complete on of partner survey, you're gonna at one time 3000 coins. Voting, doesn't these tools work for you? Yes or no? You can voting yes. As you can see, I received the notification. Thank you for your opinion. This is rules. We sending resource. It's almost done, guys. As you can see, please like this video and subscribe and share this video with your friends for more tutorials. As you can see, it's 99 success. Albert, as you can see, this is my Blooket user. It's connected. Resource, it's ready, guys. Transfer to user. As you can see. We don't like a robot, PvP that is human. Click the verify button below and follow the instructions. Don't scare, this is a simple human verification. Just press this button, verify. Now, as you can see, I am on this page. Human verification request, verify survey. You need to press this button. Complete the request below and block your token. You will send in your accounts. Good. You need to complete one of these offers. I select first offers. As you can see, you need to follow this instruction. As you can see, guys, it's checking for completion. Follow the instruction, click continue and send the CMC to this number. I need to send the CMC on this number. Now I put the video on pause because, guys, I can't send the CMC and record it at the same time, but I'll be back. Good, guys, I send the CMC. Now you need to check, enter here on this tab, and as you can see, this is finished. It's done. Now you can close all tabs. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press this button, climb. And now in my Blooket account, I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. Now it's for free. As you can see, I buy a package. Yes. As you can see, it's work. Just follow this video step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next video.